Imini mongameli wenu abantu abangana conflicts nabantu abangamabhinqa. But as amabhinqa, we are still recruiting. We want more and more people to be a part of the Bhinqa Nation. Ngoba the Bhinqa Nation le yona phela ongayebuza ukuthiwe inhlangano enabantu abasebancane abadla idakamizwa. Ngeke uze kuthiwa kuneyinkinga zerape engaphezulu kwesidingo njengoba kwenzeka izwe lonke. Ngeke uze kuthiwa kuneyinkinga lezo ezifihle Western Cape ukelelwana ukubulawana kube njeyana. Nola kusuke kunenkinga khona siyasukuma sikhuze. Mina ke njengoba ngumongameli wenu okwaba kuningi kakhulu ukuzosupporta inhlosonqangi emfowethu lapho uPapa G kanye nodadewethu ongale ngibone bekudla naye ibhano ebeya eGoli asembuza ukuthi simbonile sebhalweni kodwa zange lalephi wala lapho uhabu yentambama wahlangabezwa ubani awusiyabonga kwabweka emoyeni cha nganza kwethu sibonga kakhulu ukuthi angikwazi ukuyiseka into enkulu kangaka lenhla kangaka njengomongameli wamabhinqa angiqokanga mina kwekwazenzakalele yabona le mgodi oyeyitathele ethi self-proclaimed president. Those are the bullshit journalists. Ngoba njengamanje mina ubani inkunzi laphe kwami ubani owamisizwe nama ubani owezinto owezinto zenzeke ubani othi intaba dilike la ngibona khona okwazi khona ukuphila la ngeke ungibone khona ufiwe ubonakala ngayidubu zakaba manje Jokubona nje ngibonga mabhinqa futhi nje kakhulu ungakuhlokise lokho ukuthi nivotele untanga yini nomfana lo uthiwa Sweet Goluva into kakhulu le ngoba le mfana unapologetically nami le nto angayibuki njengiswa abafazi engemagalo kaningi athi omunye worship this baby hey baby this hey watch this Netflix omunye Netflix omunye watch Big Brother omunye no music yabo so kwena lingundi yamhlanje sabalele nje ngathi mangini mhlanga ngiyabona umfana uhit noma ibhotela kodwa elihit so and then lokho sakuthanda kakhulu umfana wakhombisa ubhinqa wagqoka umugodo wadla thina sidinga nje ukuthi nje usikhombise ukuthi nathi singabantu that's all asifune imali yakho asifune lutho lwakho once wakhombisa ukuhlonipha nathi ngoba our forefathers and our fathers has been oppressed for the longest time. So this is the time for us to be victorious. If you can use social media platforms to make us great again, we will do so. Can you imagine even Shaba commercial platform radio stations and newspapers into Tina yaqindezela namanje noma ingoma zakuduma kangakanani kuya Combi ekakasini Combi kolo kujana go trace angiphathi ke kwilo kujana ku Metro FM is a no and mawuthi yabuka ama universities ukukhonya thina everywhere even in Western Cape ukhonya thina sengamabhinqa ngiyacela ngiphila noma ngasekho you must fight for this and you must die for it. I motivated you. I was motivated by the elders that I found here like obaba umntwana kwaphinda ngene ababe uZulu noma kunzima kangakanani during apartheid. I was motivated and molded by the founder of uNazareta uIsaiah Shembe. I was motivated by isilo sababandla wonke ukhuludwini kaBhekuzulu lokho kukhombisa ukuthi ukuthina sikwazi ukulahla futhi ukuba proud as a Zulu does not means an offense to other tribes. If they don't feel, they feel inferior about themselves, it's their puppy face that must eat it. Akusiwa mabhiki ziyakhala nakwaZulu la hlangana Zulu sekwethile njalo awuzwe awusuka nama-sponsor yabona buka nje independent usemasekhona hayi umuntu yiqhaqa